Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's discuss the Nifty 50 chart. We'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and we'll find out important levels for the next week for the short term. And along with that, we'll discuss the global market also. We'll share the important indices, commodity, currency, everything, and the important update. So, to know the Nifty 50 level for the next week and important news updates, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for the stock market updates and the wealth creation. So, let's start video with the global market update. I will show you all the indices, US indices, and even indices also. So I have opened this, but before that, let me mention that I have already made the Saturday video for the Nifty bank levels for the short term, and there also I have mentioned, and here again I am mentioning that my first week video of the year is only and only for the long term view of the Nifty 50 and Nifty bank. So there I have shared the long term target for the Nifty 50, which is 30,000 in according to technical analysis only. I have shared everything, so please do not confuse that with the short term target or short term levels. So that is not for month, not for weeks, that is only for the whole year. And this video, now from this week, I am making the short term views, I'm giving the short term weekly views. This is not for the long term, so please do not confuse with both the video. The first video of the year was the totally for the long term, and especially you have to focus on the Q3 updates and the budget also, which is coming on 1st of February next month. So these two event are very important to focus on, and that's why, and I will definitely keep updating on the weekly videos, everything about the budget, about the Q3 updates, everything what I can do at my best I am doing. But still you have to be in the news, you have to be in the market, and you have to check the small thing, which is very important to actually for the preview of for the next week. So there here I am, whatever I can do, I'm just updating and informing to my friends on YouTube. So let's start the video with the important global market. As I already discussed in yesterday video, that the reason behind the market fall which happened last week, there is around 2% fall already happened in last week. There I'm not saying that is crash, I'm saying that is correction. The 2% correction is already happened in last week, and even in the Nifty 50 also, Nifty bank also, and even mid cap and small cap तो और भी ज़्यादा fall हुआ है. Now let's quickly start the video with today's global market. I have shown this. You can see our Indian market was on Friday was totally negative, and almost the Nifty 50 was more than 7.75% down. Sensex was down. Even Nifty Bank was also down. So Friday performance was not good at all. If you see Friday US indices, you can see DJI, even the S&P 500 were flat. The both were flat, and Nasdaq was a little bit positive, 0.81%, around 1% was positive. Nasdaq, the IT index. So overall, US indices was flat as the news is going on there for the tariff and the ट्रम्प का जो चल रहा है, that US Supreme Court has to decide, give decision on this tariff imposing, all these things happening around these things. Amid these things, this the US indices is still performing flat. Now let's quickly go for the important commodities. We see gold, silver important, the yellow white metal is actually glowing, And you can see, if you have checked last to last week, even in the first week of the January, the even stock market performed good, and even the silver performed good. But before that, silver crashed to almost 11 to 12%, around 11% silver crashed after touching its all time high. Even it has beyond the 80 dollar plus था, और 82 83 के पास पहुंच गया था, and then again crashed 11% around. Then again it performed good in last week. Our gold though is still it performing good. And if you see crude oil is 59. You can see here the gold is at around 4500, trading around 4500 dollar per ounce, and silver is at 80 dollar per ounce around. News is going around that the Trump wants India and China to stop their import from the Russia, the Brent oil. So this is the only issue. Trump does not want these country to trade or to import crude oil from the Russia. For that, he is doing all things. So that I please see that video. And here crude oil is 59 60 around, which is quite okay. And कॉपर डेफिनेटली, कॉपर की आजकल बहुत डिस्कशन चल रही है दैट कॉपर इज आल्सो राइजिंग हाई, एंड इसका भी इंडस्ट्रियल डिमांड बहुत चलने वाला है. तो दैट definitely I will share someday separate video for the copper, as I already discussed the silver and gold. So copper का भी मैं अलग से separate video बनाऊंगी, as copper is looking also very good. ब्रेंट ऑयल इज 63.92 अराउंड, 64 के अराउंड ट्रेड कर रहा है, जो कि मैं देखती हूँ कि स्टिल बिलो 65 इट इज क्वाइट स्टिल कंफर्टेबल प्राइस. बट अगर इसके ऊपर चला गया, see one more thing you can see, this we always consider this this Brent oil. Okay, this is 63 or 60, we can say $64 per barrel. The Brent oil is trading, and this is crude oil, this is different. We always consider this Brent oil 60, which is trading around 63 point. This is Brent oil, which is trading around 63 or 64 around. Over above 65 to 70, it is we can say it is going high, but still I will say below 65 it's okay. And this I will definitely, if it is going high, I will definitely discuss in different chart of Brent oil. But abhi ke liye still 64 is, we can say. But yes, of course it is rising high, because earlier it went to 59 around also. So this is the situation of Brent oil. Or currency, we just quickly we'll see currency also what is happening. So currency is also around 90 to 90.3, which is high last Friday. So currency में अभी still our Indian rupees INR is falling against US dollar. तो अभी भी Indian rupees की value depreciate हो रही है, which is trading lowest around 90 to 91 was actually highest. So this was quickly, I have shared the glimpse of the global market. These were important things to actually discuss before jumping in chart, and before predicting the important levels. So now let's quickly go for the Nifty 50 chart and then see what is happening here. Here I am taking the daily chart, as I am discussing the short term वीकली व्यू, और इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे ये चार्ट लेके आई हूँ. एंड यू कैन सी व्हाट ऑल हैपनिंग here. From here it is going high, taken a all time high, and then again here it went to 26,300, even 350 भी पहुंच गया था. It has touched the new all time high 26,350 around, and from here continuously for the whole week it was going down, it was declining, and 1 2 3 4 5 whole week it has declined and reached to the level of 25,700 around, which is very important level. I already discussed in my earlier video that 25,700 is very crucial support for the nifty 50. If it's breaking this, then we can see this level, which is 25,300 around. I already marked this line, which is this swing low. You can see this candle, and its low is 25,320 around. So 25,320 or 25,300, we can say roughly will be a crucial support, next support after breaking, only after breaking. See, I'm giving the crucial levels, but that condition, always keep in mind that after breaking that level it will go to next support, not directly. So please, 25,700 break करने के बाद ही वो इस लेवल पे जाएगा. Do not think that it is jumping to this level directly and will go to tomorrow only. No, it has to break this. It may struggle here, it may take some support here, then it may fall to this level, or it may take reversal from here. Anything may happen. आई कैन ओनली प्रेडिक्ट क्या होगा, ये तो मार्केट अनसर्टेन है, कोई नहीं जानता. इट्स इनसर्टेनिटी, इनस्टेबिलिटी अभी ऑलरेडी आ भी चुकी है बिकॉज ऑफ न्यूज. सो we cannot give the decision, we can only share the possibility, the levels, कि कहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेगा एंड देन कहाँ पे ब्रेक करने के बाद दूसरा सपोर्ट कहाँ लेगा. तो दिस इज द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट ऑफ 25,300 आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 25,700. एंड प्लीज वॉच फुल वीडियो. if you will keep jumping and ऐसे skip करके, if you will see, you will definitely will be confused with the levels. So please do not confuse with the levels, please watch video fully. सो यहाँ पे आके ये सपोर्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे एक 26,000 का वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस है. इफ इट्स टेकिंग रिवर्सल 26,000, और वी कैन से 26,050 या 100. अगर मैं सेफर साइड में लूँ तो 26,100. दिस विल बी अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस, जो कि इस कैंडल का ओपन भी हाई भी है. तो 26,100, 26,050 भी हो सकता है, एंड 26,000 ऑल्सो. तो रफली आई कैन से, इफ आई हैव टू से सेफर साइड, तो मैं 26,100 को ही मान के चलती हूँ resistance, which nifty 50 has to break to go up to the take this actually at least old high, all time high. सो ये दो रेजिस्टेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. 26,000, अगर आप मान, मुझे 26,000 एक्चुअली थोड़ा नीचे ही लग रहा है, मैं 26,100 ही लेके चलती हूँ. सो दैट विल बी इट एटलीस्ट बेटर, सो दैट विल बी नॉट कंफ्यूजिंग. इट मे कम हेयर एंड देन अगेन कम बैक, मे बी 26,100 पे आके रेजिस्टेंस लेके फिर से वापस इधर आ जाए. सो वी हैव टू टेक सेफर साइड. तो 26,100 विल बी अ इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस. ब्रेकिंग दिस 26,350 ऑफ कोर्स. उसके ऊपर की बात हम अभी कर ही नहीं सकते, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट लुकिंग एट ऑल दैट इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस साइड और इट इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक दिस साइड, एटलीस्ट फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. नॉट लुकिंग लाइक दैट. हाँ, अभी कोई और नेक्स्ट वीक कोई और बहुत बड़ी ऐसी न्यूज आ गई जो कि इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम लास्ट वीक. I can only analyze the chart and will give you the important crucial levels according to technical analysis only. News and all is, you have to be in news. So I can say इसके ऊपर मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ और इसके नीचे भी नहीं जा रही हूँ. आई कैन से विद इन दिस, और ये लेवल जो एक 26,000 के अराउंड है, 26,000 टू 26,100 का, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ 20 EMA, 20 डे है, मीन्स 20 EMA है, जो कि अगेन इट इज गिविंग अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस टू द निफ्टी 50. इट विल गिव, and you will see that it even has touched the 25,600 also. From there it has taken little bit upside to the 700, or still it has closed below the 25,700 also, जो कि आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग इट गुड. It is not looking good at all. This whole week is not looking good at all. You can see this line here. This was a 25,700 around, a very important support. It was very important support, and you can see it has slightly closed below this level of 700, and this is definitely not looking good at all. So you have to keep close watch for the next whole week what is happening. It is what is Nifty 50 doing, and it is taking reversal or giving more fall. After this, it may even fall more. That I will discuss in next video only. I can't jump in now. अगर आता है तो definitely I will update next week. Overall, I have discussed the global market in detail, the currency, the commodities, silver, gold, Brent oil, and even I have discussed the US indices also, but which is looking flat. And here again, Nifty 50 level for the next week. Important support is 25,300 after breaking to 25,700, and important resistance is 26,100. Breaking this will take it to 26,350. That is a conditional breaking this. So keep watch on these supports and resistance, and like and share the video also for the others. I have made the Kotak Mahindra Bank stock split video also. I'll share here the link of that video, which is very important. You should know before record date, the ratio, the record date, everything is there. Please watch that video also so that you will be aware before the record date. That video is Kotak Mahindra Bank stock split. And just like and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel for the stock market updates and for wealth creation. Signing off.